Hold on. Cheers. Also, आज गुड्डू मेरे साथ टिकटॉक वापस आ जा।
एक मिनट,
वापस आ जा मेरे पास। कितनी सोहनी लग रही है तू, आजा मेरे पास।
एक सेकंड।
Look at you. Hi, Prati.
My hairstyle is just ruined. God, let me open it.
Hey guys, happy Monday. It is a very odd time to start this vlog. It is 9:08 p.m. extremely late, but I thought I'll show you guys few products that I've received in PR. So something that I'm quite excited about is actually these 3 products that the brand Zilch, I am hoping that's how you pronounce it, sent over. So we have Zilch on Cloud 9 face wash jelly. This is how the packaging looks like. I hope you can see it. Let's quickly unwrap it and see the texture. I am excited because of the name, face wash jelly. Let's see. Ooh. So that, wow, that is extremely slimy. I don't know. There you go. So, and then I also have these 2 serums from them. So this is the Insta Bounce Super Hydration Face Serum. Then we also have Zilch Afterglow Rejuvenating Face Serum, and this is how the packaging of this one looks like. So I like that it's not in dropper form, because that way you are not really exposing the product, and that is the consistency of it. This is the vitamin C one, and then let me show you this one. So this is the Insta Bounce one, and that's how the packaging looks like. And this one is a emollient one, so that's how this serum looks like. This kind of reminds me of the Simply Pure hydrating serum that I'm currently using. I can't see it right now, but yeah, it reminds me of that, only it's more lightweight. That one is a little bit more thicker and a little extra emollient than this one, but it does remind me of that. Then we also have a PR package from Nykaa. So again, I've already unboxed it. Let me quickly show you guys what's inside. So I'm sure you guys have already seen it, or maybe not, because Elf was all over Nykaa's page these few past days. Basically, they launched their strawberry, I really don't know how to pronounce it, you guys. Strawberry, I don't know, but basically the strawberry range in their Wanderlust collection. So we have the fragrance mist, their body butter, we have this body lotion, body scrub, body milk. Now body scrub and body milk I have used this morning, and I have to say, this one, the other variants that I've tried from this collection wasn't as runny as this is, or maybe I have just forgotten the consistency of it, but this one in fact is quite runny. So I don't know if I like that. Actually, I am not a fan of extremely runny scrubs. It just really does not feel like scrub, but I do like the body milk. The only thing is, these are extremely sweet, so if you are not a fan of extremely sweet scent, then of course you're not going to like this range. I have kept these 3 products for giveaway, because they ended up sending me 2 body butters. I am using the smaller one. Also, we have done this quick arrangement here, so I have set up a table here because it was just getting difficult. This table was in the other room, in my parents' room, but I like working in this room because the lighting is much better in this room. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. I am all ready to film my H&M haul. Honestly, my makeup is very simple, but let me know if you guys would like to see a tutorial on this look. Again, everything that is on my face is from the capsule collection video. I'm not using any new products. So yeah, also for my accessories, watches from Casio, and these 2 are from Zara, and this is from H&M. You'll see all of this in the haul video. So I got done recording the H&M haul. Now I'm gonna go have my lunch. Before that, I'm gonna take the lip gloss off. I can't have food with lip gloss on my lips, and I actually ended up buying cotton pads. I know it's not a big deal, but I had just stopped buying cotton pads altogether. And now that I did get it, I'm just feeling guilty about it. I know I should probably just get those bamboo ones, I think, but I just don't know which brand is nice. So for now I just ended up buying this. The thing is, I did not have cotton pads, right, and it was getting really difficult for me to just, you know, do swatch video or any kind. If I had to even change a lip color for makeup tutorials or something like that, it was just getting difficult, so I had to get it. So yeah, I'm gonna just take it off. Can't have lunch like this. That's why I don't invest in lip glosses, because I know that I'm not very comfortable wearing lip gloss, and I also feel like taking off my lashes. I just want to be comfortable. I've been having flaxseed these days for my hair with my lunch, of course. So this is, इसको मतलब मम्मी ने ground कर दिया है, and इसमें I just add a pinch of salt, and somehow it tastes real good, like real good, and it's very healthy as well. Also some amla का अचार, again for hair. Can't believe a time has come when I have to do so much for my hair, but it's okay. I actually like achar more than just eating raw amla. I just can't have raw amla. I can't. Some aloo ka bhujia, a little bit of ghee, about that much. Oops. So this is my lunch: chawal, dal, aloo ki bhujia, flaxseed with a little salt on top of it, achar, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So it is now 6:30 p.m. and I was craving something just spicy, so we ordered a lot of chaat and golgappes. Oh, khushboo is amazing.
What is this? I think this is chur-chur naan.
Chur-chur naan? Chur-chur naan?
Oh, this is thanda, so this must be aloo, I guess. Mummy should come. Mummy is missing out.
कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? Definitely ना. अच्छा, तो दो तरह का पानी.
No, it's one, I guess.
Okay, so दो पानी.
I can't open it.
अच्छा, okay, पहले क्या खाना है हम लोगों को?
Ooh, this is papri chaat.
Now on to aloo tikki chaat. Wow.
Maybe.
ये क्या है?
ये है chur-chur chaat.
चूर चाट, चूरमुर चाट.
Chur-chur chaat.
Wow.
ये है क्या इसके अंदर? Should I open one and see? I think इसके अंदर सेव है. Wait.
This is so good. It's dry but not too dry. Now, one of my favorite chaats of all time, samosa chaat.
कैसा है?
अच्छा है. Not very spicy.
Actually love this too. You want me to put the shavings?
मज़ा आ गया. सारे सेंसेस खुल गए मेरे तो.
We were missing out.
I think this is for the churmo chaat.
कौन सा खोले? छोटा वाला खोलता ना अभी. छोटा वाला खोले ना अभी. Wait for me.
A little bit of this. A whole lot of this. And
Where's my food? Cheers.
Cheers. Now I can finally get back to work. I was so hungry. Hi guys, it is 14th of Jan. Happy Sankranti. All of us are just having a very lazy day. सबकी छुट्टी है, मेरी छुट्टी है, पापा की छुट्टी है, गुड्डू और मम्मी तो वैसे भी घर पे हैं. और मुझे आज बहुत भूख लग रही है, मतलब ज़बरदस्त भूख लग रही है. So I'm gonna have a banana. Also गुड्डू यहाँ पे है, just chilling. क्या खेल रही है? गुड्डू दिखा दे. कुछ नहीं. हाय बोल दे सबको.
Hello, happy Sankranti.
Also, all of us are actually wearing green. मम्मी भी green साड़ी पहनी, पापा ने भी green t-shirt पहना. मैं अकेला गिर गया.
Show me.
No, I just turned on the camera. मैं अकेला गिर गया.
I'm trying to be South Bombay girl.
Yeah, you're trying to be South Bombay girl. Okay.
भाया. ये कितने का है भाया? मुझे वहाँ पे छोड़ दोगे भाया? बोल.
तो क्यूट लग रही है तू आज. तो क्यूट सी पचूचू लग रही है. All this while you were sitting on this. Yes, you were. तो
केला मामा, केला खाओ, केला खाओ, केला खाओ, खाओ खाओ और गिराओ, केला को गिराओ, दीदी से सीख के गिराओ।
आज हम लोग टिकटॉक डांस करेंगे ना प्लीज।
Whatever.
34-35 पे।
In your area.
ब्लैक पिंक इन योर एरिया पे नहीं करना है मेरे को आरियाना ग्रांडे 34-35 पे करना है प्लीज।
Sure.
Just popped in your ear.
इतना रसम राइस खाएगा तो यही होगा। शूली मटका कुल्फी खिलाना।
ये लो, अब मैडम को मटका कुल्फी खाना है, किसी दिन चाट खाना है, किसी दिन पानी पूरी खाना है, अब किसी दिन मटका कुल्फी खाना है। नेचुरल से लिया था मैंने।
Can you chill, girl?
मटका मलाई कुल्फी पैक ऑफ 2।
ये कौन सा है? ये कौन सा है? मटके को लाइफ
पता नहीं, एक
ड्राई फ्रूट्स, ये ड्राई फ्रूट्स वाला है।
आज ड्राई फ्रूट्स वाला खाते हैं फिर। तो गुड्डू अभी करने वाली है ज्वेलरी हॉल ऑफ 2 pieces and only 2 pieces। ये लो गुड्डू।
क्या ये? दिस इज 20 ड्रेसेस। इस डब्बे को देख के आपको लगेगा कि इसके अंदर ड्रेसेस हैं, बट यू आर रॉन्ग।
It was bad. It was a bad joke.
अच्छा, ये क्या है? ये तो खाली है। सब कुछ ऑलरेडी अनबॉक्स करके रखे हैं आप। So this is the first jewelry. I hope you guys can see it. Looks pretty good. चलिए
तू
पहनाइए।
इतनी धीरे बात करती ना, किसी को सुनाई नहीं देता है। लाइक मेरे को तेरे हर लाइन के लिए नीचे लाइन डालनी पड़ती है, टाइटल डालना पड़ता है।
चुप कर। This is the new year. I hope you can see it.
Nobody can see it. The focus is on my face.
Focus ho jaya.
If you keep moving, how is it going to focus?
I was trying to take a cinematic shot.
That's how you take a cinematic shot.
Okay. अब पहनाइए. Okay, now
It's just a haul. It's not a try-on haul.
Fine. And this is the second boru piece.
Nobody knows your boru. I have to explain what boru is to you.
Boring.
I quite like it. Okay, it's not boring. कैसे शो करती है यार तू?
Whatever.
Oh God, cam lens is here. She's like this.
I want to see myself. Hey.
Here is Gudu's dry fruit matka kulfi. Nice, tasty. Papa, आपकी matka kulfi.
Wow.
This is not just matka kulfi. This also has dry fruits in it.